So honestly, I'm not even going to hold y'all. I'm just going to jump right into it. Do you want to learn how to make some labels for your business? Maybe you have a candle business, a lash business, a hair business, whatever your business is. If you need some labels, this is going to help you out tremendously. We're going to go from this to this. You know, the first label is my vendor made. So, do y'all see? Do y'all see the difference? Let's go. Mind you, I'm doing this right from home. So I am using my iPad and my thermal printer that I just bought. So let me show y'all how to go into Canva really quick and make the labels first. So as y'all can already see, I already made my labels, but just for the purposes of showing y'all how you don't even need a template to do this, I'm going to start from scratch. So I already have my brands fonts saved in my Canva. I do use Pro, so key thing, I like to keep all my stuff branded the same font, same colors with whoop. But anyways, we're going to go to my first saved font. We're going to go ahead and type Feisty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back up to the other ones to make sure that I'm making the sizes the same. It's not going to be perfectly, aligned the same, but we're going to try our best to do that. Then we're going to go to our second font and we're going to type in WLBD. If you don't know, that stands for Whiplashes by Deja, my brand. Check me out. Okay, so this is where you get creative and you put your thinking cap on and you completely customize this exactly how you want to. Try to stand out from everyone else. Don't go and do what you see others doing. Be creative and personalize your brand. So I want to add a little razzle dazzle. So I'm going to type in heart in the elements and I'm going to find this cute little heart. I'm going to use the same exact thing for each label. So I went and found the one that I used. I like this one because I kind of write my hearts the same like that. So I thought that was cute. When you're using the Phomemo thermal printer, the M110, I believe, just keep in mind that it's not going to print out color. It's only going to do black and white. So I try my best to just use black font on a white paper or white background. So I did try to print off colors so you guys can see what that looks like. It just gives like a real dark black and it also doesn't print as clear as it would if you was just to use black for your design. I like my packaging to look as professional as possible, so I am going to add 100% mink lashes somewhere on there. They are washable, they are reusable. I have customers that have been using these lashes for a long time, so I do know for a fact that they are 100% mink lashes. Don't put just BS on your labels. Actually try to state facts so people can come back and shop with you. I am going to leave a little area at the bottom right for my QR code. I do add that last because just in case I have to change my QR code, I don't have to go back in and actually remake the labels. I can just add the QR code through the thermal printer app. So this is how you make it. One other way that you can make it, once you already made your labels and you just kind of need a different name added, you can go to the label that you already made, which I'm gonna show y'all in a minute, and you can actually duplicate. So right now I'm just making sure that they are the same size. I was having a hard time trying to get that 29.8, so you can actually type it in to make sure it's exactly the same. So now that we're done making the label, you can see how easy it was to recreate this label from scratch. Or you can use the templates. Like I said, just be careful with the color. Try to use black and white, especially when you're using the M110. So I'm going to go in and show you how to duplicate. We're going to delete this one and we're going to duplicate Sugar. And all you have to do really is just change the name. Type in Feisty. Make sure you align it to where it's not overlapping the Whiplashes by Deja. So I'm going to pull it down a little bit. And voila, we didn't have to go in and actually do anything but change the name on it. You can duplicate it again, get as many labels as you need to. Save these to your iPad or your phone, whichever one you're using. And we're going to go straight to the other app to show y'all how to print these off. By the way, when you click on save, you can go in and select which pages you want to save. You don't have to save all 3 at a time. I've already saved 1 and 2, so I've only checked 3, so I don't have any duplicates or anything like that. Just a little tip for you. So we're using the app Printmaster. That is the app that you're going to download for this. Going back to the home screen, you click on label paper and you're going to click on which paper size you're using, or if you already used it, it's going to say recently used. I'm using the 40 by 30. So we're going to click on add a picture and we're going to add the last label that we made. I like to go in filter and click black and white. It just gets that extra stuff off of your label. Blow this up so it can fit, and we're going to move it over to the left a little bit so we can add that QR code in. So once you get it to the right position, I'm going to show you how to add the QR code. So when you click on QR code, it's going to prompt you to put the URL in. I want each of my labels to go to the actual lashes that they are. So I'm going to go directly to which lash label that I'm making. And we're going to copy that QR code. So for this one, it's Feisty. We're going to copy that. And we're going to go back to Printmaster. And we're going to paste that where the QR code is. It literally makes the QR code for you. That's all you have to do. And we're going to add it right here. We're going to make sure it all gets on the sticker. And we're going to hit Print Label. Once you hit Print Label, I put that I wanted to print 4 of these, and it's literally printing. I'm about to show y'all right now. Fun fact, I forgot to record it printing, so I printed out an extra one so y'all can see it coming out, but you can batch print them. Here's 5 of them, and also here are the other ones that I made and how I'm placing them on my lashes. Go shop. This one's is Sugar. And so you can see how easy it is from my iPad to my Phomemo. This is how my label used to look, and we're going to put this Feisty sticker over that one. It just gives it a more finished look, and I like the fact that they can scan my QR code and go directly to the website to shop for more. I do want to add that those other labels actually came from my vendor. So if you want a better way to brand your business, go ahead and buy you one of these Phomemos. I highly recommend it. See y'all in the next video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye. I could do this for hours. Sit and talk to you for hours.